Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Gonna reverse what we did with the previous example, and we're gonna put these in rows. What's the change? Notice we're messing around with a row delimiter, not a column, a row. That's the only change. You can incorporate other tools if you want. This is straightforward. You can add more stuff in here. You can put spaces. You can define this any way you want. A simple platform where you can mess around. And I'm surprised this thing isn't blowing up, because most of the time when I'm dealing with TEXTSPLIT, it can't handle this random stuff, but it seems to be working okay. If you run into this problem in B5, just copy, paste special, and it will put this in fixed mode. You won't be able to hit F9. Take a look at the narrative. There's some helpful tips in here that might help you out, might save you some time. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.